haba urupang layo penekran bunai lam ki Punjabi besyang basa atam yo maulang ban kili lagadan shisha kajing penbet kumbal akam desimbul menteri rangba kajela upaderu usang kenor ke HLC kabal atung da sarkar jilla Husam Arja Khatpla ban pet iki jeruat ki badan hak bayadai berkajing tungu ke sarkar ban kenria iki besyang basa hakate ke jaka bat laikran ru bat kwe ki mat.
Can you tell us, sir, regarding that we saw in the news that the government and from HLC they invited you to have talk regarding the relocation of the people from here?
नहीं, अगर हम लोग को बुलाएंगे ना, अगर गवर्नमेंट हम लोग को बुलाएगा तो हम लोग बात करने के लिए रेडी है। जो हमारा जो क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है वो भी बताएंगे और रिलोकेशन के ऊपर भी बात करेंगे हम लोग।
Do you have any condition from the committee? No condition.
No condition.
And do you agree to the government to relocate from you to another part of Shillong?
No, we'll talk in table
We will talk in table.
we'll decide afterwards.
And after quite some years of that is maybe we can go partial curfew here. And do you have any difficulty in dealing with business, because there is also here is a business hub of the people who are staying here in the locality?
It's very difficult because road from both sides is closed now by the government, and vehicle movements also is banned. That's why we are facing problems.
Do you have any threat that any unwanted incident like 2018 will again happen?
No.
No. And you are ready to talk with government without any condition
Yeah, we will talk.
for the common good only. Thank you, sir.
We are always ready to talk, no?
Yes.
But government, till now, government, they don't invite us to talk. No?
Last time the government said that they have relocated some 40 numbers of family. Is it true?
No, that is.
It is not true. From the time that they set up the committee, have
All the persons here now and media look very closely. If any relocation done from the locality, no, that first you people know, no, that this relocation from colony is done. That is false statement given
That is by the chairman of HLC.
Yeah.
From the time they set up the committee, have they invited you regarding this problem? Oh, no.
Not till now, never.
This is the first time.
This is first.
And when will you have the meeting with the committee?
No idea. No. If they call us formally, they give any letter and whatever, we'll decide in our committee and to talk.
Which means till now you haven't received any
No.
official communication from the committee?
No.
You just saw from the news?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.